Today I'm talking about the beauty of Christ. I was thinking tonight, yesterday night and this morning, I was thinking that beauty is the result of being in harmony with the laws of the nature. It was a great subject for me, because as you are harmony with the laws of the nature, you coordinate your personality, your physical, emotional, mental body in such a way that it becomes beautiful, which means every part of your nature is harmonious, related together in such a way that each part of yourself emanates and expresses the best that you have within you. That was a new understanding for me, that how beautiful it is to live according your highest vision, highest ideas, in harmony with the cosmic laws. For example, the law of love and light and sacrifice, this kind of laws, the law of synthesis. Then I thought that this beauty that is forming within us, in coming contact with the laws of the nature, was expressed by Christ in a different manner. He used different words and he said, I came to fulfill the will of the one that sent me. Now, what was that will that he's talking about? That will was nothing else, the cosmic laws. See, cosmic laws. So his beauty was formed in him through ages and ages, in trying to bring himself to the harmony of the cosmic laws, which was expressed as the will of God. Did you get that? It's so beautiful. But there is something there that is very, very, very deep and mysterious. All adaptation to the harmony, all cooperation to the will of God or cosmic energies are carried on only through suffering. Physical suffering, emotional suffering, mental suffering, spiritual suffering. And what is like to be suffered is just like a heat that is coming and making the seedlings to bloom. All pressure, all suffering, all pain that is coming to us has one great purpose: to release the divinity, the beauty, that level of consciousness that is harmonizing itself with the laws and with the great principles of the nature. And if you really pay attention to your life, you will see that every time you stepped into a higher level of understanding or better relationships with people, comes after when you suffer. After you pass through a suffering, that suffering organizes you, brings you into your senses, makes a greater relationship with the hidden laws within you and within nature. And then as you suffer, greater and greater potentials emerges from you. And these potentials are nothing else but parts of your whole beauty. But it's very interesting, see, that all this system is organized in such a way that if you are in luxury, in happiness, in wealth, you stagnate. Things that are great within you cannot come into blossoming. So we can say that every beauty that we have is the result of a victory within us against the forces that are creating the suffering for us.